we're going to go ahead and start with Carol's shop. And she has sent me a link to this listing right here, Floral Wall Art Set. So let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, so let's see. We've got Carol's right here. So let's check out this item first. So she's got a floral wall art set, wall decor gift, black background, floral wall art, instant download, printable. Okay. How is my title? Great question. Well, let's check it out first. So floral wall art set, what you want this title to look like when we search it is we want it to be bringing up similar looking products, right? So let's search it up real quick and let's see what kind of stuff we find under that keyword. So floral wall art set is a pretty large keyword at 73,000 results, which is kind of a little bigger than the keyword sweet spot range. Let me pull my notepad over here. So the keyword results sweet spot range is generally between 1,000 and 10,000, although it does vary by niche and so on, but kind of within that range. So it's a great keyword, but it's a little bit large. But I do like that when I'm looking at this keyword, all of the products that I'm seeing here are very similar to your products. So I'm seeing a lot of products that are similar. Oh, this is funny. I had a decal that was literally almost just like this one time. Little poppy flowers. I thought it was a pretty cute decal. Yeah, okay. So I would say it's a relevant keyword. You're doing good on the relevance, but let's see if we can make it a little bit more precise. And the way I would do that is I would just do flower wall art set digital. Let's try that. And that brings us down to 39,000, which is a little bit better because that's more relevant and more specific, and it's a little bit smaller amount of keywords. Let's do digital download. 22,000. Hello, Karen. Welcome to the workshop. Okay, so the first keyword you have is kind of a little large. I would try to narrow it down a little bit more. And I think I would probably just put, let's try instant download. I like the digital keywords, the download keywords, and there we go. Floral wall art set instant download, I think, is a better keyword for you because it has 7,440 results, which is right in that sweet spot range. And I think it's a lot more relevant because if you just use the first keyword you had, floral wall art set, you're going to have a lot of people landing on your products that are not really interested in a digital product. They are more so interested in like a printed product that they're going to receive an actual physical printed product. So for you, I would recommend targeting this instant download keyword because it's right in that perfect sweet spot range of 7,440 results. And hopefully that one will work a little bit better for you right there. Now let's check out some of the other ones. Wall decor gift, black. So let's just try. Now you could also try floral photos, instant download. Let's try that. Floral photos, instant download, 7,700. But this one I would say is not quite as relevant because we're getting a lot of different things going on here. Let's just try digital floral photos because this is what it's all about. Let's just try digital flower photos. Now we've got 44,000, so big keyword there. A lot more results on that one. So not really kind of looking what we want here. But let's check out some of the other ones here. So we've got these beautiful butterflies. We've got this almost looks like hand-drawn. This one's very artistic. Very, very incredible art. I love it all. Really cool. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. And that's the last one there. Okay. So I like that you can, take these and kind of collage them together. And let's try that one. Flower collage set. Let's try that. Digital flower collage set. 11,000 results. Let's see. And we got a lot of different things, not quite as relevant there, but there are a lot of sets coming up here. And it almost seems like that set keyword is a better keyword for you. But I wouldn't write this keyword off. This is a good keyword right here. Let's try flower collage set. Yeah. So let's add that one there. 11,000. 198 results. And let's see what else could be true. So the floral wall art set is, it really is a good keyword, floral wall art set. But like I was doing, I would just try to find a few more ways to narrow it down. And you could probably put the instant download and the digital download keywords closer to the front, because I think they're very important keywords to denote that your product is a digital product versus a physical product. Now let's look at the description here. Now your description here, I think, is kind of a little bit too keyword rich right here, because you're really just putting a lot of keywords. There's not even anything like describing the product up until the next row. So I would maybe try and work those sentences work those keywords into a sentence. So say something like, this floral wall art set is such a great wall decor option. It's going to look so amazing, and all these things are designed with a black background, yada, 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 and you can instantly download them. Now, I would also make a few more paragraphs, because this is a lot of text all in one really large paragraph, and I think it's a little hard to read. So I would probably break this into like 3 paragraphs or something like that, just a few more paragraphs to make it fit a little bit better there. And let's see here, July 8th. So that's recently published. Yeah, altogether, I think this is a nice listing. Now let's look at the thumbnail, because the thumbnail is really the important thing. And I like it. I like it from the thumbnail perspective, because the thumbnail, your product needs to be the hero of the photo. It needs to be present. It needs to be, focused. It needs to be the center. And, I think you're hitting all of those details right there. You're making it definitely this front and center of the photo there. So that looks really good. And the rest of your items look really good as well. I like them. You got 26 items. Yeah, and the photos look really nice. I like the photos. They look good. Oh, I like these clocks. Let's check this one out. This is a cool looking product. Floral wall clock. Spring design. Boho decor clock, living room clock, floral wall clock. Really pretty. Okay, this is a great product. I think this is a cool product. I personally love physical products over digital. I just think they're cool. And this is a cool product, okay? Let's check your keyword on this one. Floral wall clock, 3,208 results. So you're really in the money on that one right there. These products all look pretty good. And your product looks relevant. Now let's look at the actual thumbnail. Your thumbnail photo, I think, is good too. It's competitive with these other ones. I would zoom it out just a tiny little bit, because I don't like to have them cropped there. And I know on this first one, it's the top right here is just a little bit cropped. And you can see some of these other ones here, they've given them a little bit more room to breathe around the edges. This one I particularly like, but I think that little bit of space goes a long way, and it's really good for you to have a little bit of space around the edges of your photos there. So what I would recommend for you, Carol, I think you've got beautiful looking products. They're really nice. I would recommend that you renew them aggressively. So